tonight, you are free. I just believe God is getting ready to set the people free tonight. You've been held down by sin long enough. You locked yourself up long enough. But tonight, we're commanding the enemy to loose you. I said we're commanding the enemy to be free. When you've been locked up, I say, when you've been chained up and you get free, come on, that's your praise right there. By the end of this service, I believe God is going to work the place. I believe God is going to set you free. And when He sets you free this time, you're sure enough not going to return the same. You stepped into the emergency room when Jesus is the doctor on you. You're not coming up with the same old. It's nobody but Jesus. Not a man, not a woman, but nobody but Jesus who can set you free. But I got an announcement to make. And this announcement gonna set you free. This announcement gonna get you right. This announcement gonna make you question yourself. The announcement is that the Savior is on His way back. The Savior is coming. But you don't hear me in this place. I said the Savior is coming. See, John had a message. He had a message.
Hallelujah.
He had a message for the people.
Yes, he did.
John said, hold up. We're going to get this thing right. You're going to learn to repent. You're going to learn to repent. You're going to learn to walk in obedience. See, we don't want to do that no more. We don't arrive, so we don't have to repent no more. But the devil is a lie. As long as you got breath in your body, if you know like I know, you better follow that covenant I see. You better follow John's instruction and repent. He spoke with authority. Something happens when you speak with authority. God has given you the power to speak with authority. But we won't go all soft to the enemy. Well, enemy, let me tell you something. You're not going to attack me. No, you're not. Go at that thing. Look here, demon. I come and snatch you out of head. I come and yank you out of head. You can bring you in your own head. I got the power of God. He has given me the authority to take the light off. He gave you the authority. The authority to snatch the head off. Oh, you better hear me. You better hear me. You better exercise your authority. This is a season where America don't want the Christians to do nothing. Nothing. If you don't exercise your authority that God has given you, I can promise you He's going to be back before your grandbaby. Baby, around. God is speaking, people. He's speaking in this hour. Whether you are deaf or not, whether you don't want to hear it, you're going to hear it. You don't hear what I'm telling you. The ear gates are open because there's no more excuses that I didn't hear from you, God. Oh, you don't hear what He preach. I said He lived what He preached. During His ministry, God told Him to illustrate His messages with dramatic objects and lessons. Some of these acts included lying on His side for 390 days, during which He could eat only 1 1/8 ounce meal. He cooked. Shave His head bald and His beard. The 21st century church can't handle these dramatic illustrations. God's speaking right there. Because they already play with God enough. They already play too much in church. Oh, you don't hear me. Oh, yeah. See, we think it's crazy and strange. You call somebody girl or man. God said walk to the mailbox for 8 days. And they're going to holler, that ain't God. That's foolish. He don't say things like that. Oh, but did He not just tell Ezekiel everybody else told you. That is foolish. That God don't operate like that. That's not how God works. Why would he make you walk to the mailbox for 8 days? Oh, God. But the 8th day arrives. Watch this. The 8th day arrives, and you didn't want to walk to that mailbox. You and your disobedient spirit, you want to listen to what he said, she said, instead of what the word said. And when the 8th day arrives, you didn't go to that mailbox. And watch this. Your new set of bones was in the mailbox. You've been dried up too long. And if you would have went to that mailbox, God, the dry bones. The scripture declared, speak a prophetic message to the winds, son of man. Tonight I come to speak to the winds. And every dry bone shall rise up like an army. And I believe God's promise, somebody can get set free tonight. But you don't hear me in here.
Yes, Lord.
We're going to speak to the dry bones.
Come on.
They're going to rise up like an army. Somebody's going to get set free tonight. You don't hear what I'm saying? Spiritually dead people can't complete God's assignment.
My God.
Did you hear me? Spiritually dead people can't complete God's assignment. So if your bones are dried up, if there's no breath in your bones, no, God, how can you complete an assignment that was given by God? How can you complete your task when you're spiritually dead? Not what Eric has to say, not anyone in the building has to say, but what the sovereign God has to say. Come on, breath from the four winds and breathe into the dead bodies so they might live again.